本子又拿出来。
这只，你看这只是好的。
好，这样子 OK 了。
烘好了，烘好了。
哎，这是好的吗？哦。哎，这个速度好像是不是那个太快了？太慢了，晕了。对，晕开了。
有一个太慢了，这个温度太高了，你让它把温度降一点吧。
之前是多少的？
以前就不知道了，但是现在。173。第二个键按一下，然后它会往下走的以后，最后一个键确认。
速度39、38。
对呀。因为你这个控制的是吧？那个人自动不了的嘛。你先去那边打吧，我跑个文件干嘛的？文件我这个黑的就拿去了。
搞住了吧？你在拿手了吧？如果经过歪他们，歪事情。这个sauce味，哦，它放进去了吧？那有点好玩一点。被sauce。哎，去关掉，都偏了。
啊，对。
哎呀，不大，你不得子。是吧？在模特里吃的。20。
为什么呢？
Hello, hi Michael. Hi, thank you for your attention for our YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to Colorido YouTube channel. This is Tina and welcome all of you to stay here and watching our live. And what you are seeing now is our workshop now is the actual production status. So you are seeing it is under production for printing the socks by using our designed sock printer. So this one is the upgraded CO80-210 Pro. And you can see it is with 4 rollers continuously printing mode. And you can see the operator actually is keep working. And now she is wrapping a piece of paper on this roller to ensure that the color of the ink during it is printing not spray and stained to the roller, because the roller is metal one and it's easy to get the color to stand on it and then to get your sock dirty. So that's why we put a paper on the roller during printing. And now it is finished printing for one piece, and she is loaded off. And meanwhile, the other one start printing. And during this printing, and she is keep doing to uploading and to rush the time. And now by this one is almost finished printing, and she is done for that adjusting. And roller will turn. So only if she is get ready, and then she will get it continuously working. Otherwise, she will pause the machine. So you see, everything is set it up. So with the blank socks just beside your hand, and you can easily to grab in your hand and then to operate it. So now only very short time, like around 10 seconds or 12 or 15 seconds, and she has to finish that one. And offloading, actually, it will be very quick. And now you see, everything is rushing and rushing out for the production and ensure it is high efficiency for the production. So that is really a high efficiency production printer. So with this printer, you could reach like, the maximum you could reach like 90 pairs per hour for printed socks. Michael, thank you for your question here, and it will be easier for us. So here, welcome all of you to stay here, stay with us, and if you have any questions, just let us know. And Tina would like to help all of you to help you out of any question about this printing, about this printer. Hi, Apparel. Hi, Apparel. Hey, how are you? How are you guys? I know it is very late in the West American time. It is also almost midnight, right? So thank you so much for your stay so late and stay with us. Thank you so much. And for the European customer, for our European friends, I know it is very early in the morning, and thank you so much as well. And thank you for your time and being with us. Okay, hope you will have a nice day. And for the West American time, the friends, and hope you will have a very sweet dream. Okay, so what you are seeing now is our Colorido seamless digital printer. And what you are seeing now, it is the production status. Now, you are seeing that our workshop with the printer, with the printed socks, now it is under producing. And with different material, it could print different socks. just using different ink. You set it up with different ink, and then you could get any material you would like to get. And also, after printing, then the process will be different. Later, I will tell you and will show you, okay? So this is the upgraded printer model of CO80 210 Pro. You can see it is with the center motor drive these 4 rollers. It could automatically rotate one by one position. And this position is always the printing position. So from this position, it is always printing. And here, the operation position. So during printing, it is continuously working with the operator to get ready for next printing job. And you see, it turned, and next one will coming up for printing. So that is why and how we achieve with the continuously printing mode. And now for all the audience currently staying in our live stream, thank you so much. So this is the upgraded one, and here in our workshop, you will see another one. And this is the old model of the printer, but we have to let it running. Cannot be lazy machine, right? So it has to be run. And this one has a longer roller. You see, it is over 1 meter. And every time you need to set it up for the rollers. And this roller needs to be up and down to the machine. And after printing, the ready printed roller needs to be offloaded from the machine and then get off this printed socks. So that is totally different printing mode. And this one, the efficiency will be a little bit slower compared with this 4 rollers printing, continuously printing mode. For sure, right? It will be slower, for sure. This is 4 rollers, and the rollers could just stay there. No need to load up and offload the roller anymore, just the socks. So you could get it faster and faster and faster once you are familiar with this operation. And now I saw that 32 audience stay in our live. So if anyone knows that how fast the maximum printed socks, how many pairs it could print in 1 hour, if anyone knows, type it, let me know. So how fast it could be, let's guess. It will be not boring for me here during my introduction, right? So if you have any idea of how fast it could be, could run with the printed socks in 1 hour, just give me a date. Just give me a data, a number, and type it, let me know. And thanks for all your like, for the audience, if you like it, and just like it. Let me see how many people you like it. Normally, it could print like 55 pairs per hour, but maximum, the fastest speed, how many pairs it could be? If anyone knows, just type it in, let me know.这一点还是有，还能再调一下吗？看看去。
能再加快一点，温度再。
你弄一下嘛。可以的。And except this, we introduced the machine CO80 210 Pro, the upgraded one. And here, what you are seeing, this one will be the most upgraded. Yeah, can you see? That is 2 rollers, right? Yeah, this is the 2 rollers machine. And also, it is the most upgraded one. You may find that the roller length is a little bit longer compared with the 4 rollers, right? Yes, indeed. This is longer, and this roller has around 70 centimeters long, and we are now using is like 1 meter. So ladies' tights, if you wanted to print ladies' tights, it also could be possible to print by using this machine. So you will have multiple options for multiple applications. If any tubular items, and then you just choose the different model of the printer, you will get the different one. So like ladies' tights and the men's over-knees football socks. And this one will be suitable because over-knees will be over than 70, 75 centimeters long. So by using this longer roller, 1 meter length of the roller, then it is suitable for that kind of the applications. And you see after printing, the roller switch. So it's also a kind of continuously printing design of the printer, just different rotate method. One is switch, one is rotate. So by the other socks is under printing, then this one near the operator, it could be operated with preparing for next printing job. So you just load up this sock with this roller and then get the proper position, just wait until the other one finish printing and then it will switch like now. So nowadays, customization design, it is more and more popular, so just think about how to create a kind of business which could suitable for the customization items, then this one will be the perfect choice. Think about it, start your business right now, take action, contact us. So with this printer, any design you'd like, any picture you wanted to share, any photographs you wanted to just print on a socks as a kind of memorable gift, then just do it. What you need is just a pair of these blank socks. So with the rollers, keep switching, then continuously printing job is under proceeding. What you are seeing now is our Colorido seamless digital printing workshop. And what we have now in our workshop are several models of the printers. What you are seeing now is the 2 rollers CO60 100 Pro. It's set up with the 4 heads, 8 colors, and the length of the roller could be adjustable. So if you wanted to customize the size of this roller length, no problem, we can do that. If you wanted to get the customize the diameter of the roller, also no problem. We could do that just with your demands. That has no your exact requirements.你这个是 C 卡吗？
对。
我们 TCX 没有是吗？And here it is also busy with another printer. This is also a kind of old model of the printer. So long roller. Hi, we see that this socks being put out and hanging here to the oven. So why? That's different production procedure, right? Yeah, compare with the other one, after printing it just hanging there. But this one is just run inside of this oven. Yeah, this is the polyester material. So for the polyester one, after printing, it's just one step needed for finishing. That is the heating. And after heating, it will just drop automatically. And after high temperatures heating, the color will pump out. It will be pumped out. So you see, before it is ready, the color is a little bit grayish, right? Well, you see the right side one, and that is coming out from the oven. Let's see what color it is. Yeah, compare. You see? The color pump out really like a black color. Now it is totally black. Well, that one is grayish, the light gray. So color totally different. So you can see here, compare it. So before printing, after printing, before heating, and this is after heating. So once this one is done, the color pump out. Pump. Yeah. So this is the whole process for the polyester socks printing. polyester just need printer and oven to complete the whole process. So more and more printed polyester socks are ready and hanging there by the conveyor, sending them into the oven for heating. And heating just needs 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, it will be done for the whole process. And then color will be pumped out and you can wear this. And what you are watching now is our YouTube channel, Colorido. We are having live for the introduction for you to get a clue how the seamless digital printer works. Okay, another one is coming back. It is ready. 好像还是一样的。更快了，
这个更染的更严重。
这感觉不是染的，我感觉像是你喷头上擦一下，或者让它洗一下，刮一下。我感觉上面是有毛毛蹭到了，那也不对，为什么只是在？对，为什么只在这里会哎？
打出来没有？好的。
哎。哎，这个为什么这个线上面这里会有那个呀？打出来是好的哎。再快啊！现在44了。再给它调快一点点。速度你来调不会，我摁了一下，它成0了。我摁了最右面的。多灾多难。Hi, Mohammed. Hi, how are you? Welcome to watch our live.这个转的不会转了吗？
转的坏了，转完出来了。
那怎么办？
我这挂哪？
那现在只有40啦。
现在可以挂吧？我可以挂。
坏的
挂一点挂。
So this oven actually could adjust the speed and temperature. Just now we tried to adjust the temperature and speed. There seems something wrong with our button. $40. 90, 60.
刚才互相转的那个加速的那个螺母坏了啊，跑不了。
能转速了，调快一点，要45，
我已经不调到45了吗？
44、40，现在只有40。This is our technician, Mr. Zhang, famous Zhang, because his face, his smile was printed on the socks, and after the expo we had in Printing United, in United Printing, and then he was so famous. Is吗？得死的。What 嘞？What 嘞？你降。
还有一点是吗？
嗯，打出来是好的。这个呢？温度现在多少
170，我给你降了175。
挂了啊。
现在是170呀、
175，但是我给你设置到了170，还有一个降。
So normally daily work is here and something went wrong, we will fix it and find the problem and get it fixed. So you see here different model of the printer are keep working. Actually, this one now is just print for one piece, but actually it could just print one pair one time. And these are the printed socks, just waiting here, and waiting for the next step. And next step will be here. Wow, another world. So this is the full picture of the oven, how it looks. And this is the oven we use for the polyester one. And you see that exhausted fan, right? So this exhausted fan is a must. So you have to set it up once the oven is delivered to you. And exhausted fan to get rid of all the fumes during heating. Then the fumes coming out from this outside, the front part. Then this exhausted fan to get rid of all the fumes out by using this pipe. So let's see the whole picture. Oven is responsible for heating. Then the fumes will coming out from the front part, and with the exhausted fan get rid of by using this pipe, go outside of this building. And here are also some other socks. It is waiting for the steaming. And after printing, these cotton socks needs to be dried here. Da 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 da. Here you see. Wow, a big volume of the oven. This is the drying oven. So with the big volume, to keep these socks inside of the oven to be dried. After it is dried, it needs to go inside of this steamer for steaming. And after steaming, it needs to be go back to the oven for drying again. So once it's totally dried, it will be stay here and waiting for washing. Waiting for washing. So this is the whole process will be for the cotton socks, and these are the cotton. So you're seeing, and she is keep running for the printing. So we set up this $4 machine with the two heads. So here is the ink station with the two heads, and the cartridge carries with the two heads to go for spray onto the sock. And here, this location will be for the operator to load up the sock and then ensure it is in the proper position. So now, after it's printing, she just offload it, and meanwhile, that one is under printing. So keep continuously working one by one, no stop. No stop at all during the printing period. So actually with this printer, the seamless digital printer, except the socks, we also could print for the sleeve cover. The sleeve cover. So if anything like the tubular items, the knitting tubular, and it could be printed. So except the socks and this printer, you see the $4 or the $2 or even the $1. So it could be print with this kind of the seamless digital items, these seamless items. So if you wanted to get the digital printing design and just with this blank color, white color, then it could be possible. And well, except this, the sleeve covers or the socks, and it also could be printed like here, what you see? Yeah, the seamless digital printed shorts. So once you have the knitted tube, and then we can print by using our printer. And after printing, you just get it cut and sewn, and then a piece of the seamless digital printing yoga shorts will be done. And also, if you want to go outside for the cycling, some outdoor sports for jogging, and then this one also, you cannot just miss it. Yeah, the buff scarves. And once you go outside for the outdoor sports, it could get you warm for your neck, right? And if with the dust, and then you could just put it up as a mask. And sometimes if it is a windy day, you even can pull it a little bit upper side and to use it as a beanie. So these kind of the seamless tubular items could be printed by using our printer. And either it is the polyester material, or it is the cotton, or it is nylon, or it is like this one, the wool material or the bamboo. So these materials are workable for our printer. So we can print on it. Just remember, different material will be different printing solution, different inks and different process. Then you will get what you want. And also for like the coming Christmas or the festival you wanted to celebrate, or the birthday party, you wanted to get a kind of memorable gift, and then this printed item will be the good choice. Yeah, so like here, nowadays more and more people have the pets, right? Like this one. This is the cat, a sweet cat. So his name is Qiu Qiu. So my friend had this cat, and he wants to get this cat to be printed on the socks as a kind of memorable gift. And just 1 year by 1 year, and with the time spent together with Qiu Qiu, and always can get a pair of socks at his birthday. So it will be a good gift, right? Yeah. So with this kind of the customized design, just a picture will be fine. Then use the picture, make the pattern. Make the pattern in circle in the certain measurement, and then you just upload it to the software, the printing software. Then you could just print. So here, Tina would like to represent as Nimble Colorido to thank you, all of you that focus on our YouTube channel, and don't forget, subscribe us. Yeah, and our live will be held twice a week, every week, so Wednesday and Friday, and I will be here. So every Wednesday and Friday, the same time, around 1 o'clock at Chinese time. European will be very early in the morning, and the West American time will be like the nighttime. So we will see you here and introduce our products and our technology. So with these kind of seamless digital printing items, if you have any question or any idea or anything you would like to discuss, to talk about, or to know more about this new created and the customization items, just let us know and meet here in our live. Okay, so today we'll be here, and see you next Friday. Okay, thank you and goodbye for now.